What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video, and today we got a little bit of a POV drive. Ooh, hear that thing go? Alright. Oh, this is another. I thought it was an F-150. It looks like an F-150. That's a Titan. This thing looks like an F-150. Even though I saw it a mile away, I could like tell this looks like an F-150 design. Look at the lights. You copycat. You wish you had an F-150. Look at that. That's an F-150. What? What is Nissan doing? They're trying to copy Ford with the F-150. That thing looks crazy. Fake F-150. Front of the lights also kind of look like one. Oh, that truck got stuck. Look, he's trying to come. This pickup truck is mad that I got in front of him. Too bad. You're a fake F-150. I'll do whatever it takes to annoy you. Like, your Titan is nothing compared to my F-150. Well, no big deal. We got a same truck. No, we lost the truck. He's somewhere behind because he got, he had to slow down. Everybody slowed down over there. Alright, so we're getting to the busy part of town now. I got V6 Charger going that way. Just had to point that out. Is that a Mustang behind me? No way, it's a Mustang. I need to see if it's a Mustang. I need to play with him because honestly, my truck is basically a Mustang. This guy needs to move, I think. Are you gonna move or from Texas, my guy? It is a Mustang. That's actually a Mustang coming behind. Wait, can I? Nah, I can't. This guy is just holding up this lane. Move your truck out of my truck's way. Like, come on, bro. Like, oh my God, come on. Bully him. Come on, get out of my way. You're from Texas. I thought you guys are like super crazy drivers. Like, you're like disgracing Texas at this point. Like, what? You did not get your Texas identity. He's probably one of those people that came from California and went to Texas. They're like, I want to be in Texas because the geese is bitter and whatever. And they'll ruin that state too. The Californians. At least the ones who are crazy ones and they think like their state was ruined because of something else when it was probably their own doing. Anyway. I have this just great pickup truck from Texas in front. Like, can you please move? Sir, please. I am not trying to be behind you and watch your bumper all day long because you cannot move out of the left lane. All right, is there somebody in front of him? I'm gonna go for it if not. He'll speed up the moment I go for it too. Look at that, there's an opening, but then I bet if I go for it, he's just gonna speed up because that's how people are nowadays. They're annoying. Yeah, thank you. Look at this. Wide open. Move your Texas out of my way. Disgrace to Texas. Get behind me. Is that an F-150 or is that an F-250? I don't know. I don't know. Looks like an F-350 probably, or a 250. I think it's a 250. Acura. Nobody cares. No, Acura. You cannot be passing. You need to stay back there. I passed you already. I'm not going to let you pass me. We are not letting him pass. Okay. This guy's staying in the left lane. We got to give him something, right? Because your Honda Fit is not doing enough. This person's going to watch. Speed up. Don't speed up now. Don't speed up now. speed up now. I told you. And he did speed up right when I was trying to go. Like, if you're gonna stay in the left lane, speed up at the beginning. Don't hold the lane, and then all of a sudden when I try to pass, speed up. Like, come on. I'm telling you, people just want to be enemies on the road. I swear. I swear. But I don't know. What do I know? Not much, honestly, about this stuff. Anyway, let's keep going, shall we? It's a great day in Mexico, that's for sure. Yeah, I know, I drove all the way to go to Mexico just so I could get you guys some POV. Crazy, right? Oh, man. All right, so we've got some stuff around here. Look at this, I gotta go this way. Watch this, we got like potholes for days over here, watch. I'm gonna go on this side, right? Oh, another Titan, another GMC, a Titan. You guys all over, watch this, look at these potholes. Bounce, 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 bounce. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my God, those are, look, here more. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my God, look at that road. And they fixed it. They made it worse than it was before. And those are like drainages or something. I don't know. These people are crazy. Whoever's these construction manager, you need to make a better road, my guy. Why did I say my person? My guy. It's morning. Give me a break. It's early in the morning. I'm not ready. I am not ready. Why do I have so many people around me? Leave my truck alone. Okay, we got a bunch of cars now. So this is where we're never going to get past because there's just going to be a bunch of people holding up lanes. And I don't think we will be able to. Yeah, see? Now I got to wait for this guy to move. And this person. And this person as well. Everybody needs to move. Whoa, 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 whoa. This car got a broken mirror. Hey, watch yourself. Don't be near my car. I see you got a broken mirror. I ain't trying to mess with that. You know, when you see cars that are all banged up, you always gotta be careful because those things are the ones that'll just smash into you for no reason. Like, I ain't about to. Semi. I don't want to be really near the semi in this little area. Let me go. Don't. You better stay over there. Okay, I'm over it now. I'm out of it. I got a GMC now on my bumper. He's probably trying to go, but I ain't gonna let him. Who is smelling of gas? Somebody smells of gas. It's not me, I don't think, hopefully. I don't think so. Is it me? Or no, it has to be his truck in front. His Dodge Ram. You know the Dodge Rams from old days. Somebody's got some fumes coming out their car. Maybe it is mine, I don't know. Is my exhaust fuming up? I ain't know. Oh my God, this GMC won't leave me alone. Excuse me, sir, I'm going to tell you. Don't mess with my truck, because I will push this thing. If you go past 101 though, I'll be in trouble, because I can't do anything after that. This GMC's on my bumper, bro. What do you want? I can't go anywhere. I got all these people from Slowtown sitting in front of me. Like, what do you want me to do? This guy, I'll lose you real quick. I'm in a pickup truck, I don't care. I'm going this way. This way. What is this? It's a Honda, it's a Toyota Camry. You know, Camrys are like one of the most used cars everyone has, like every time. Because they say they're reliable, but hey, don't come here, Lyric. Okay, wait. Pickup truck, where you going? You're losing the spot to go. I don't know where we're going at this point. But it ain't the right way, that's for sure. Can this guy get out the way? There's like another truck in front of this. This red one's also slow. They're both slow. I mean, everybody's slow. I got this GMC on my bumper. Like, what does he want? I don't know. Probably wants me to go. I want to go too, but I can't. 'Cause I got slow people. I have a truck holding something in front of this truck and another person, and this is just crazy. I'm gonna get in the right lane, I think. I think I'm gonna get in the right. I think I'm gonna get right lane. I'm sick of this. In front of this truck. This GMC is coming. I don't care. Go on this side. Maybe somebody will get off the exit and I can like push myself in. Somebody go, leave. Somebody get off the exit. I should not have gotten the right lane. This is a bad idea. There goes the GMC right there. Is that a Mustang? You know what? I'm gonna get over. I'm gonna get over. There's the Mustang. Oh, it's a Bullet. Come here, Bullet. Yes. Pop 2. Guy's tailgating like crazy back there. Not on me, somebody else. That's funny. I don't get what people get out of like super tailgating when there's a lane you could go left to and you could just go and pass him, but I guess you don't want to. Oh my, that GMC's flying. This Mustang ain't flying though. He's just chilling. Oh, that GMC's leaving. That's why he's going fast. You know what? I ain't about to sit in this lane. I'm gonna go after that GMC. Come back here. Mustang, you stay over there, okay? Ooh, there goes that truck too. There goes that truck. I'm gonna go here. I think that GMC's staying here. I'm gonna catch that GMC. Hey, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, sir. Stay in your lane. These people. Oh my God, he just had almost an accident in front. No way. Ain't no way. He was trying to change lanes and that guy just said, no. Oh, actually, let me get over. Let me get over. I don't want to be behind all these people. All right, here we are again. Once again. This traffic is insane right now. Like, excuse me. Let me actually get the right lane. Watch this. This guy's slow. This guy's slow. Get over. People are slow like anything. Stay over there with your tall truck. V6 probably. But yeah, guys, that's probably gonna do it for this video. I'm about to reach my destination, so appreciate you guys for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, comment Jeep. Yeah, comment Jeep if you made it to the end of the video, and I'll like your comment. So, I mean, heart your comment. So appreciate you guys for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.